witness for my Lord? Who will be a witness for my Lord? Who will be a witness for my Lord? Who will be a witness for my Lord?
I'll be a witness for my Lord. 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 There was a man of the Pharisees. His name was Nicodemus, and he did believe. The same came to Christ by night, wanted to be taught out of human sight. Nicodemus was a man who desired to know how a man can be born when he's old. Christ told Nicodemus as a friend,
Man, you must be born again.
said
Born of a man,
be wise,
repent, believe, and be baptized.
and you'll be a witness for my Lord. You'll be a witness for my Lord. You'll be a witness for my Lord. Paul is a witness for my Lord. You read about Samson. From his word he was the strongest man that ever lived on earth. Way back yonder in ancient times, he killed 10,000 of the Philistines. When old Samson went a-wandering about, Samson's strength was never found out. Till his wife sat upon his knee, she said, "Tell me where your strength lies, if you please." Well, old Samson's wife, she talked so fair,